Welcome to our roundup of the best upright vacuum options. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, deep carpets, or everyday dust, we've selected top-rated upright vacuums that combine powerful suction, smart features, and reliable performance. We'll break down each model's key highlights like cleaning power, filtration, maneuverability, attachments, and ease of use to help you find the perfect fit for your home. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Stick around till the end because the #1 pick might completely change how you clean your home. Let's dive in and find the ideal upright vacuum for you. The first on the list is the Shark Detect Pro Lift Away ADV. This vacuum is built for people who want smarter cleaning without extra effort. It comes packed with smart dirt detection, lift-away technology, and advanced HEPA filtration, making it a strong all-rounder right from the start. The smart detection feature automatically adjusts suction based on dirt levels, meaning you get maximum power where it matters most without constantly switching settings. This is especially useful when moving from hard floors to carpets as it adapts in real time for consistent results. One of its standout features is the lift-away design, which allows you to detach the canister and clean stairs, upholstery, and tight spaces with ease. Instead of struggling with a bulky vacuum, you get flexibility that feels almost like using a handheld cleaner but with full upright power. The vacuum also includes a sealed HEPA system, which captures dust and allergens effectively, making it a great option for households that prioritize cleaner air. In terms of usability, the Shark Detect Pro feels lightweight and maneuverable. The swivel steering helps navigate around furniture smoothly, while LED headlights reveal hidden debris that you might otherwise miss. It also includes useful attachments for above-floor cleaning, making it versatile enough for whole home use. There are a few minor drawbacks. The dustbin could be slightly larger, especially for bigger homes, and the advanced features might feel unnecessary for users who just want a basic vacuum. However, for those who appreciate smart technology and convenience, this model delivers impressive value. Overall, the Shark Detect Pro Lift-Away ADV offers a smart, flexible, and powerful cleaning experience that makes everyday vacuuming faster and more efficient. Next up is the Hoover Wind Tunnel Cord Rewind Pro. This vacuum is designed for simplicity and convenience, featuring automatic cord rewind, wind tunnel suction technology, and multi-floor cleaning performance. It's a great pick for users who want reliable cleaning power without dealing with complicated controls or heavy designs. The wind tunnel technology ensures consistent suction by lifting and removing embedded dirt from carpets while still being gentle enough for hard floors. It does a solid job on everyday debris like dust, crumbs, and pet hair, making it suitable for regular home maintenance. What really stands out here is the automatic cord rewind feature. With just a press of a button, the cord retracts neatly into the vacuum, eliminating the hassle of manual wrapping and saving time after each use. Overall, the Hoover Wind Tunnel Cord Rewind Pro is a dependable, no-nonsense vacuum that focuses on strong performance and user-friendly features, making it a great option for practical, everyday cleaning. Next, we have the Shark ZU102 Rotator Pet. This model is specifically designed with pet owners in mind, offering powerful pet hair pickup, self-cleaning brush roll, and anti-allergen complete seal. If you're constantly battling fur on carpets and furniture, this vacuum is built to handle the challenge. The powerful suction works deep into carpet fibers to remove embedded pet hair, while the self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair from wrapping around the brush. This means less maintenance and more consistent performance over time. It's a small feature that makes a big difference, especially for homes with shedding pets. The anti-allergen complete seal system ensures that dust and allergens are trapped inside the vacuum rather than being released back into the air. This is particularly beneficial for households with allergies or sensitivities. Combined with its strong filtration system, it helps maintain a cleaner and healthier environment. In terms of usability, the Shark ZU102 offers excellent maneuverability with swivel steering, making it easy to clean around furniture and tight spaces. It also includes a range of attachments designed for pet hair removal on upholstery and stairs, adding to its versatility. On the downside, it can feel slightly bulky when used for extended periods, and the noise level is a bit higher compared to some newer models. However, these are minor trade-offs considering its performance. Overall, the Shark ZU-102 Rotator PET is a powerful and practical solution for pet owners who need reliable cleaning and less maintenance hassle. Next, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra takes things up a notch with premium engineering and performance. It features radial root cyclone technology, ball steering control, and deep carpet cleaning power, making it one of the most advanced upright vacuums in this lineup. The radial root cyclone technology maximizes suction by capturing microscopic dust particles without clogging, ensuring consistent performance even during longer cleaning sessions. This vacuum is particularly effective on deep carpets, where it lifts embedded dirt that many other vacuums leave behind. The ball steering design makes it surprisingly easy to maneuver despite its powerful build. Instead of pushing and pulling a rigid vacuum, the ball mechanism allows smooth turns and precise control around obstacles. This makes cleaning feel more natural and less physically demanding. It also comes with a wide range of attachments for tackling pet hair, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas. The cleaning head automatically adjusts to different floor types, maintaining optimal contact and suction throughout your home. However, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra is on the heavier side, and its premium price may not suit every budget. It also requires a bit of storage space due to its size. Overall, this vacuum delivers exceptional performance, especially for deep cleaning tasks, making it a top choice for users who want powerful, professional-level results at home. The last one on our list is the Shark AZ3002 Upright Vacuum. This model stands out as a top-tier performer with DuoClean Power Fins technology, powered liftaway system, and ultra-powerful suction performance. It's designed for users who want the best combination of power, versatility, and advanced features. The DuoClean Power Fin system uses dual brush rolls to clean both carpets and hard floors effectively. It digs deep into carpets while also picking up fine dust from hard surfaces without leaving debris behind. This dual-action cleaning makes it incredibly versatile for whole home use. The powered liftaway feature allows you to detach the pod while still using the motorized brush roll. Overall, the Shark AZ3002 Upright Vacuum delivers top-level performance, advanced features, and exceptional cleaning results, making it a standout choice for demanding households. So, that's it for the best upright vacuums you can choose from right now. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. All product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your home clean and your choices smart.